Zadsnark the Ripper is a war boss speed freak of the Evil Sons. A well-gogged biker boy who dackers as part of the war of war boss Garagak. This evil son has raided the Segmentum Tempestus with trucks, war bikes, and anything that goes fast, armed with his own power blade on his left arm, which shares his nickname. Riding his custom war bike called the Beast, not to be confused with the War of the Beast, or the War of the Beast, or that Beast of Calf. Anyways, it's scaling to his massive size stop smaller orcs from driving it, armed with loads of shooters and scorchers. Always striking directly at Gits to crump 'em quick like. His head-on charges smash everything to bits, hating on anyone who uses more key tactics such as Weird Boys, Pain Boys or Mechs. Fighting the Elysian plot troopers on the world of Castoral Novum, he defended the renamed planet of mechs like Ix to protect its factories, with not even these flying Gits able to stop the Ripper Stampede.